Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I have quick last minute Christmas cards for you. So let's get started. When I was in Germany in fall this year, I found these card making pads in the craft stores over there, and I'm so glad that I had enough time to bring them over here for Christmas. So these are by Studiolight, and I have 4 of these craft pads in my shop. And they are so great because they have everything you need for last minute Christmas cards and very quick. So first of all, there are 8 by 8 in size and 4 different ones. In the back, you can see what comes in this pack. And I'm going to just do a quick flip through. What you find in here are pages full of card making fun. You always have a sample, and even the sample is die cut, so you just push it out. And then you have a card layer and all the different embellishments to make either this card, and we can zoom in here and take a look what they have created here, or you can just mix and match the entire pad and come up with your own creations. But that's why they are so quick. All you need is basically card blanks. You already have the panel, and then you can go ahead and just decorate your card. And they don't let you totally by yourself because you do have samples. So fun. We have the ho ho ho. We have mistletoe kisses. And the ho 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 and mistletoe kisses I made cards with. So that's why you see a few less in here. But look at this. I just thought this was the cutest thing to have these little bunnies there kissing under the, what do you call it? The mistletoe, right? Okay, so more. Yeah, they're all similar. Everything is die cut. So we have the mistletoe kisses, the ho ho ho. There is cozy and warm. And the cozy and warm is right here. And when you go to my website, you can see, of course, close-ups on everything that comes in the pad. Okay, and then we have the Christmas presents. Everything has the traditional colors in red and gold and green. Very cute artwork. And just wait until you see the cards I made. These were really quick and last minute. I was inspired by these samples that they have in this pad, so I didn't even try to come up with my own designs. I just followed the instructions. So just so that you know, what do we have in here? Let's just come up here. It's 4. So we have 4. And this is all in millimeters. You can see it here. But basically, you can make 12 cards with this pad. And there are there's a square card, there is a rectangular card, and then one that has that is vertical, and 4 of each in different designs. So basically, each pad, Christmas presents, cozy and warm, mistletoe kisses, and ho 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 makes 12 cards. So let's see what I have created. Okay, I'm going to start with the ho ho ho, and here I picked up this sheet, and you can see this is how the example is. And what I have done here is I added some pretty paper from one of my many Christmas paper packs, and I know you have a lot of paper too. And all I have done here is really added the embellishment with a little bit of foam pads, so they are quite flat. I didn't make a very high dimensional cards, but you do have several layers. Added a little bit of glitter sticker here, and then just a stem saying "Be Merry," and that's all I have here. And look at this cute snowed in house in this cocoa cup. How adorable is this? And this makes the card. And of course, if you want to, you could use some of the embellishments that come and use it for the inside or your envelope. But here, like I said, those were very quick cards. I think these cards also, these pads are great for beginner crafters that don't have a lot of materials. All you need is a card blank and this pad, or if you have one paper pad, then you can, or a traditional color paper pack, then you can definitely match it with a Christmas paper pack. Okay, then next, here's my next card from the same pack, and look at this. How cute is this marshmallow there on this beautiful cup? And look at the cup even has buttons on there, so it looks like a snowman. So really, really cute. Again, I added just a little bit of Christmas paper. This is from a paper pad that Michael's had this year. Let me see if I can find it for you. Okay, I couldn't find it right now, but I think it was like the peppermint, something with peppermint that had these red and white papers in there. On my first card, I used the Christmas plaids, and that's also by Recollections. So that was for the first card. Where did it go? Right here. So this paper came from the Christmas plaids, and yeah, this one here is something with peppermint kisses or something. But yeah, any paper will work if you have Christmas paper, and I'm sure you do, in these traditional red and green colors. And then I just added all these little embellishments, basically just like the example told me to. And I made a third card, and look how cute this one is. It's called Shake It Up. And yes, you do have the sentiments too. So the Have a Very Sweet Christmas, and here to Shake It Up, shake up the happiness, shake, shake. All this comes in this pad. And we have the snow globe here, this cute snowman, and then some presents. And you can see this is all from one pad. How you could mix and match if you want to come up with your own designs. It should be rather simple. And for here, so this is one of the square card layers that they have in here. I again added some paper from the Christmas plaids, and then added my white, well, it's not really white, there's already some print on there, my card layer. And then these holly corners here are also part of the part of the paper pad. And I should also say that they are already glittered. So they have this glaze on here. You can see it here. So you don't even have to worry about putting on glitter. It's all done for you. Okay, and up next, I made cards with the mistletoe kisses, and started off with the sugar and spice. And again, you can see how it is a little bit, it has this glitter glaze on there. Same thing, have a white card blank, a little bit of paper. Here's my card layer, and then I added some of the embellishments, this beautiful cocoa cup here, and the Christmas pudding, and layered a little bit for dimension. But that's all it is. Very simple. Here you can see is the embellishment, and here is my card. Next, there is another cup of cocoa. And here I had this paper, is also from, it's the same paper pack that Michael's had. What I said was like something with peppermint. So here I just used the paper or the cardstock. It is not too sturdy, but it's okay for a card. I used the cardstock to make my card blank, and then just added the card layer, matted it on a piece of the Christmas plaids, and then here is this card. So quick. And then I also, of course, had to make a card with these cute bunnies. Here they are celebrating underneath the Christmas wreath, and it says the joy of giving. And I have a red card blank here that I made myself. I still have to add writing layer in here. And here they are. And the only other thing I added here is one of the red borders that I have in my shop, and I will link them below. So here they are. But there's more. So I mentioned it, with these pads you do get the example and you can follow the example, and even the sample here is already die cut. So all you have to do is push it out. So why not use it, right? So I used the samples from the cards I just made and made little gift cards, or little, just gift cards where you say from to and add it to your gift. And you can see, let's just match them up with the cards that I have created. So here is the card that I made, and this was the example. And all I did here is cut a little bit of paper and, folded it in half, and now have a cute little gift tag that I can add to one of my presents. Okay, number one. Number two, and let's zoom in a little bit. Here is the one, Shake It Up. This is the card that I have created. And here is the sample. And same thing, I just created a little tag where I can say a quick greeting and hang it on one of the gifts. Okay. Here are my cute bunnies. And the only thing I added here is a sticker that I had in my stash. And of course, once I use it, I can definitely put another white panel in here, or maybe print the name. So obviously this is not a good paper to write on, but that's an easy fix. I just add a little bit of copy paper in there to write my greeting. So we could have a card and a gift card on your Christmas gift. Okay, and then here is this one with the cocoa cup, and I added the reindeer here holding the same type of cocoa cup. That was one of the embellishments I didn't use. Here's the leftover from this cardstock that I made my card with, and here they are. Isn't that fun? You have zero waste with this pad. And then lastly, I have this card, and I made a small card. So you don't have to make gift tags, right? So this was the sample. This is the card that I have created. But now what I have done here, I stretch it a little bit. I put it on, I glued it on some red cardstock. These two pieces were leftover pieces from the card making, and I added it to one of these smaller cards that you can get at Michael's with envelopes. So, and all I did here is added another sticker, and I believe these stickers they had at Michael's this year too. And I have a cute little card that is not necessarily just a gift tag, but this could be a full, card that can also go with a gift. So I really hope you give these card making pads by Studiolight a try. They were so fun and quick to work with, and make, I think, the most gorgeous, cute Christmas cards. Last minute, of course. I am done now with my Christmas cards for this year. I have been making Christmas cards ever since late summer, so I will retire for this season with my Christmas cards. And this is probably my last video for this year. I'm going to take a short break, and then we'll be back in January. There's a chance that I maybe come back one more time to share a couple cards that I have received, and also there are a few cards that I haven't shared with you yet, so maybe. But basically, this is the end of my Christmas card making season. I now really want to enjoy the Christmas time, do some baking. I still have to decorate my house. So there are other things that I would like to do during this time of year. So I appreciate your patience waiting for a new video coming up in January. So for all of you, I wish you the most beautiful Christmas season. Please stay or get well. Be safe. And I wanted to thank you for all your support. I couldn't do it without you. I love when you leave me comments. And of course, if you support my shop, I really appreciate it. So thank you very much, all of you, for being so faithful and encouraging me to continue. Have a wonderful Christmas season. Happy New Year, and I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.